Hey folks, I've been getting a lot of questions about my eating and cooking setup that I carry with me in my backpack, so I thought I'd just introduce you to it. This is the main event here. This is my, um, it's part of an antique army mess kit that was given to me by my friend the Colonel and his homie. It opens up and becomes a cooking pan and a convenient plate bowl sort of situation. Between these two things, I can cook and eat most anything. And inside of it, I will carry a small spatula. I just got this new spatula, and it's already stained with turmeric, as you can see. It's lightweight and it's very versatile, and I like it a lot. The mess kit also came with this cup, which I use every day. I love it. And these did not come with the mess kit. This is my. I get a lot of questions about this. This is my spoon, okay? But it's also a P38 can opener and a bottle opener. The bottle opener doesn't work that great, but it works. And this is my fork. I found this in an abandoned cabin in Alaska. So between these two things, and these things, and of course my belt knife, which I've downgraded because I lost my old one. I can handle pretty much anything, and I eat pretty damn well. I don't usually eat this kind of shit, but this is what I'm eating right now, and it's good. It's very good. Okay, thank you.